Welcome exam students of Curacao. We're looking at the video about the exam of 2025 and especially we're talking about the history exam of 2025. Let's look. In 1919 de Volkenbond was initiated. In 1919 de Volkenbond werd opgericht. Wie was de initiatiefnemer? En met welk doel werd de Volkenbond nou uiteindelijk opgericht? Ja? Opgericht significa initiaal. Ja? Well, those answers. International countries came together to talk about international affairs, disagreements, fights, and so on. It was initiated by Woodrow Wilson, and the purpose was to bring peace to Europe and to keep Europe peaceful, talking over problems instead of starting a war. So quem está iniciado? That was Mr. Woodrow Wilson, in those days the President of the United States. Important consequences of the First World War and the Versailles Peace Treaty. It came from President Wilson, as you can see on page 18. He initiated the Volkenbond because he said if there were in June 14 a Volkenbond, then there wouldn't have been a declaration of war between Austria-Hungary, Serbia, Russia, and so on and so on. It would have prevented war, is what he said. And you can find this on page 18. I believe I said 14 before. It's of course page 18. Pagina 18. Yeah? So countries went on to sit together, and Woodrow Wilson said if we would have had assassination on this man, the Volkenbond would have prevented that and would have had a peaceful Europe instead of a First World War, yeah, because countries were talking together, as you can see here. And there wouldn't have been a First World War with trenches, with gas, with tanks, and so on. There would have been peace. And Mr. Woodrow Wilson said this was a good idea to have a Volkenbond. So, quem está iniciado? Who initiated it? We see the American President Woodrow Wilson, as we can see here. Yeah, he was the initiator. The purpose was to prevent wars. This by bringing countries together. Dit door landen bij elkaar te brengen. Om te praten, te overleggen en vreedzaam onderlinge ruzie op te lossen. So the purpose was to prevent wars. This by bringing countries together, talking together, yeah. Dit door landen bij elkaar te brengen door te praten, te overleggen en vreedzaam onderlinge ruzie op te lossen. By talking together, as you can see there, and peacefully solving a war and working for peace together. And this was prevented creating a war because of the assassination of Franz Ferdinand. And this is what prevented starting the First World War. I hope this video was helpful.